Hey, is this your new listing?
Sure is. We actually just went live today.
Can I take a look?
Absolutely. Let's do it. Thank you for checking out my listing at 551 Pineville Road in Statesville. If you have any questions, please reach out. And as always, if you can beat me at a round of golf, I will list your house at a discount. Thank you.